Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the in-private browsing mode in the Microsoft Edge web browser. This should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back a registry editor. You want to go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it, so if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create the backup, it's very simple. You just would go ahead and select the File tab and then Export. File name, I would normally recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Export range should be selected to all, and then save it to an easy and accessible location on your computer. So once you've named it, you just select the Save button, and if you ever need to import it back in, you just would select File and then Import, and navigate to said file location. So again, pretty straightforward process. And now ready to begin. So you want to start by double clicking on the HK current user folder, so go double click on that. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Double click on the policies folder now. Should be a Microsoft folder. Go double click on that. And you want to locate Microsoft Edge under here. If you don't see it, you're going to have to add the folder. So go right click on the Microsoft folder, select new, and then select key. Call this key Microsoft Edge. All one word. And the E in Edge can be capitalized, or it should be capitalized, but don't have any spaces in here. Hit enter on your keyboard. Right click on the newly created Microsoft Edge folder. If you already have one, that's great, you don't have to do that, but then you would expand that and you look for a folder that says main, M-A-I-N. If you don't see that folder, we're going to go create it. So again, right click on the Edge folder, select new, and then key, just like how we created the Microsoft Edge folder. So we're just waiting on the registry editor to respond here, and we are going to name this key main. Like I said, M-A-I-N, not the US state main. You want to just type in M-A-I-N exactly like I have it on my screen. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now on the right panel here, right click in a blank area, select new, and then select the word 32-bit value. You want to name this value. It's very important. You want to type in exactly how you see it on my screen. Allow in private, exactly how you see it on my screen. So again, the A in allow, the I in, and the P in private all should be capitalized. Hit enter on your keyboard to save that, and now double click on this value. Make sure the value is set to 0. Now setting it to 0 by default will disable it, which is good, which is what we are trying to do in today's tutorial. Select OK, and if you ever want to undo this, you could just right click on this value and delete it, or change the value to 1. So anyway, at this point you will have to go restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.